Welcome to my demo of the Instant Price Quote Calculator for websites. You can also embed this on your site for free. So this has dual purpose. Obviously, you can use the tool. It is awesome, and it's free to use. And if you like, you can take the code, put it on your website. I'm going to show you how to do that as well with this tool. But this is a pricing and quote calculator where I'm going to show you how to embed it on your site in seconds, free. Lets visitors get instant quotes to boost engagement and leads. No coding required. If you run an agency, you're a freelancer, you sell software, provide services, you already know the drill. Someone asks about pricing and you spend 20 minutes typing up a custom quote. Then they ghost you, or worse, they come back with, but your competitor charges less. It gets old fast. This pricing calculator fixes that. It gives your leads a clear, instant estimate based on what they actually need. No vague ranges, no stalling, no awkward phone calls where you try to justify your rates while they compare you to Fiverr. Use this tool to speed up your sales process, filter out tire kickers who are never going to buy anyway, and build trust by showing exactly how your pricing works. It is simple, it is fast, and best of all, you can customize it to match your services and embed it anywhere you want, which I'm going to show you how to do. This is a tool here. I'm going to go through what it briefly on what each input does, and then it's pretty simple to use. You got a service type, marketing retainer, website project, funnel builder, launch package, SEO package, paid ads management, consulting or coaching package, SaaS onboarding or implementation, or software as a service, or other custom project. So click whatever you want. We're going to put this one for the funnel builder launch package for this demo. Project scope or tier, small, standard, large. What size is your project? Estimated hours required to complete the project, obviously. So we're just going to put 20 in there. You can put in whatever it is. Your hourly rate you're going to put in here. Materials or software cost. Currency. You got US dollar, euro, British pound, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Discount percentage. If you offer one, you can do this. It's optional. This is a cool feature. You also have rush project. Adds 25% to the total, which means you usually get them done in a week and they want it done in 2 or 3 days. You'd use something like this. And you can check the box and it's going to add 25% to the total, or leave it unchecked for nothing. Add-on, strategy call or kickoff call, plus 300. Ongoing support or maintenance, plus 500. Monthly reporting and analytics, plus 200. Content creation included, plus 400. Extra revisions, plus 250. Priority support or faster response. So if you got any of these add-ons apply, you can check the boxes that are appropriate. Now we're going to click Generate Quote, and it says right here, this pops up. Your estimated quote is $2,100, range $1,785 to $2,415. Obviously, some of these will be less or more, so you can just do the math on that. If you charge more, just add it on. So your estimated quote is right here. That's your range. This estimate factors in your project scope, hours, materials, selected add-ons, and any rush fees or discounts. Use this as a starting point for your proposal. It tells you a price breakdown, base price, hours times rate, materials or software, add-ons for your final total. And that's that. Now, if you want to add this, I got directions right here how to add it to your site. Or if you just want to use the tool, that's fine as well. What we're going to do is copy this embedded code. And this is if you want to add it to WordPress. Or you can, it tells you directions if you got Wix, Squarespace, or any other one you want to add it to. It's going to be pretty similar, though, throughout. So what we're going to do is copy that embedded code. There's a button right here. Just click that button. We're going to go over to one of my sites. I've already have something I did earlier. So we're going to have to switch this out. So what we do here is, let's get rid of this calculator. This is my last calculator. We're going to get rid of it. And we're going to paste in the code we just copied. Hit preview. And voila, you're done. And this is your tool. Exactly it is on my site. On your site. So you can earn backlinks from people visiting your site. You can increase engagement. And it's just going to save you time. So and you can just paste this on your site. And one more thing I wanted to add with this. So that's how easy it is. You can literally do this in seconds and add it to your site. The HTML. The width is 100%. You can play with that if you want it. You can put it at 80%. I leave it at 100. If you want this taller for the minimum height, it says 1,400 pixels. You can put it up to add 2,400 pixels, 34, 44. and it's going to get larger for you. We'll do 5,400. Hit preview. And you can see there's no scrolling bar on it. It's absolutely perfect. If that's the way you want it, you're good to go. But it's going to be, you're going to have a lot of blank space down here. So you're going to want to play with the dimensions a little bit to get this kind of up here, to get it exactly how you want it. But that's it. Literally in seconds, you can have an awesome tool that brings value to your website, brings value to your business, keeps people engaged, and is very useful to use and looks very nice, looks very professional. So if you want this on your site, link's going to be directly below in the video description box where you can use this for yourself. And I showed you how to add the code, so you should be good there. And you'd obviously add your title, pricing and quote generator, whatever you want to put for the tool's name. Do a little meta description, a little description about the tool, obviously what it does. It tells you kind of right here, but you can always add your own thoughts on it and kind of make it your own, and you're good to go. Fill out all your details on here, permalink, add your tags, hit publish, and it's live on your site in literally minutes. So awesome tool to have. You want to grab this on your site, or you just want to use it for yourself, link's going to be directly below. If you have any questions, shoot me a comment in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. And with that being said, and subscribe to my channel for future video updates. With that being said, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.